Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Friday, July the 17th. Well, a dramatic change of character for the market today. We were used to seeing green candles for the last 4 days in a nice bullish move. Green candle with large bodied sizes. And here all of a sudden we have no colour to the candle and a very, very small body or no body at all, virtually no body to the candle. And what does that tell us about the market? Well, it tells us that there was a lot of indecision in the market. It tells us that all of the bullishness at the moment has evaporated. It means that the bulls have opened the market in a certain position. The bears have come in, traded the market down. The bulls have come in and bought the market back, and they've closed the market at roughly the same place where they opened. So it means that the bulls have made very little net gain for the day overall. The bears haven't made any net gain as well, and that's why it's an indecisive candle. Neither side has made any net gain. Interestingly, though, the bulls have managed to close the market up near the high. So the bears pushed the market down, but the bulls during the day came in and bought the market back. So that makes them slightly a little bit stronger. But what you want to see in a first time frame uptrend, and we are still in a first time frame uptrend, is the bulls in the ascendancy, and that's not happening here. The bulls have lost their power, and that serves as a warning that this first time frame uptrend that we're in may be about to terminate. So what we need to do is watch the low of the current candle for that to be taken out, and for a potential first time frame downtrend with a lower high and a lower low next week. So we need to be aware of that. Now, if the market does begin to trend down, then we have a downside limit to where the market will move. And the first limit that the market's going to interact with will be the top of the cloud. And that will be very important to see how the next few days close if the market does sell off. If we find support at the top of the cloud, then the market might be able to gain enough impetus to close up above the resistance zone here and potentially this 960 area. There is potential for us to do that. If we do that, then we may see 1,000. We can trade down into the cloud. We can find support anywhere in the cloud, and we're likely to find support here at the Kijun-sen. That's that pink line there, which has turned flat. When the Kijun-sen turns flat, it tends to attract price action. So we'll see how the market behaves over the next few days. Very important potential support here. A lot of resistance here to get through. So some interesting trading for the beginning of next week.